French groups got together and actually saved this building. And in 1979, it became the Pioneers Museum.
Today is September 8th, 2019. This is the GoPro battery in the camera right now. I'm in the museum, which I'll put the name down at the bottom here. But this is an old courtroom here. It says District Court Division Number 1. And this beautiful courtroom here. And you can see all the people in the back can watch and see here. And it looks pretty nice here. You go up, can't walk inside there, but and I see my, I just saw the, a little blurb or something on the image, so I don't know if this battery's giving problems or not here, but we'll come around here. And there it is, courtroom here. And if we come out here, I think you can see the sign up there. It's District Court, Division Number 1. Okay. Got this 1917 elevator, and the just had a little blurb on the GoPro here, so I don't know what's happening here. But anyhow, we're going to try and ride this elevator, and it's from 1917, and I'm on the 3rd floor, and I'm going to go down to the 2nd floor. So let's go try it. It says open it up, and I'm going to go inside, and it says follow the instructions. It says the outer door closes automatically. Press either the 2 or the 3 to visit the respective floors. So I'm going to press 2, and the door is closing, and I'm going down in the 1917 elevator. Here I'm coming out, and I had a safe trip down to the 2nd floor here, and the door opens up. It was a very quiet ride, and once the elevator, the inner door will close, the inner door will open, pull down on the black lever, and this one here, and I get out, and I made it down to the 2nd floor, safe and sound then. Okay. Okay, I'm about to try this cash register here to make a 50-cent donation. I don't have any singles on me, but it says it can take coins or anything else. So it says squeeze the clips together and then release, which I did. Press the button for the amount of your donation. Well, it says it doesn't make any difference, but we want to press the 50-cent one, and we're going to see if it's going to open up here. And it didn't. I'll press the A button, and I'm pressing the A button up here. And there it comes out. So now I can put the money in here. Put it in there. And then we're going to close this guy back up. And it's all set. There we go. We use the old 1912 cash register here. And we'll look at it. I used to have a crank on the side. And some other little thing here, all kind of tracking systems that it had on here. Well, you can even do a loan here. I guess you want to loan somebody some money out of it. It keeps track of it here. And you can't make out what the other ones are, but it has dollars, your cents. There is, I put 50 cents. That's what it came up as. So it worked out pretty good. And this might have been for some kind of paper thing here on the side. I don't know, but there it is. Good old time cash register. Okay.